Network Entertainment.
Nasabi mo na ba to sa sarili mo, malayo pa naman yung retirement, malayo pa naman yung emergency, wala naman nangyayari sa akin, malayo pa naman ang tuition fee ng anak ko. Nako, here's the problem. Alam mo, some of the most expensive financial mistakes start with these three words, malayo pa naman. Why do I say this? Pag-usapan natin sa podcast na ito. Hi, I'm Chingitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free. Teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode. Hi there! Welcome back to Chink Positive. Sa araw na ito, pag-uusapan po natin yung three most dangerous word, malayo pa naman. Bata pa naman ako, malayo pa naman yan. Nako, when you use that often, this is your excuse for what we call as procrastination, diba? Hindi ka nagsasave, hindi ka nag-i-invest, hindi ka naghahanda, but years later, many people realize na mali pala. The thing that they thought was far away, actually, yun nga, napapabilis. So today, sa podcast episode natin na ito, bakit ka madalas na nagde-delay? Ano yung hidden cost? At number 3, anong dapat natin gawin para maayos ito? Okay, pag-usapan natin to. Do you remember when you were still in your 20s? Probably that was 10, 20, 30, or 40 years ago. Diba parang honestly, no, when I look back, I'm already a senior citizen. Diba? Kahit ayaw nyo maniwala, wala akong magagawa. It feels like na parang, naku, yung yesterday lang. Parang pag naglalaro nga ako ng mga basketball, yung isip ko 20s pa ako, pero yung katawan ko hindi na nag-agree. Diba? And then you wonders, parang nasaan napunta yung lakas ko? Ganon din diba? In terms of your finances, sinasabi mo, tsaka na lang ako maghahanda pag ako ay 30s na, tapos naging 40s ka na, naging 50s ka na. And then nagtatanong ka, hanggang ngayon wala ka pang ipon because life moves quietly without waiting. Diba? Alam mo na hindi natin napapansin yung 1 year naging 5, 5, naging 10, 10, naging 20. Yun. Kaya nga very important, no? Kailangan wag po tayo maghintay. The cost of waiting is bigger than what you think. What do I mean? Let's say, 2 tao na nag-invest. Si person A, nag-start po ngayon. Si person B, next year na siya nag-start. It seems heartless from the start, pero alam nyo, 1 year lang ang pagitan. Pero yung 1 year na yan is what we call as the year of what? Compounding. The year of waiting. The year of wasted time. The same is true with pag-iipon, pag-build ng emergency fund, pag-uumpisa ng negosyo. Every delay has a price tag na hindi mo napapansin. Kaya nga alam mo, let me tell you the truth, and the truth will set you free. Yung future po is only dependent on how well you prepare for today. I always tell people, the younger you will always take good care of the older you. Kung hindi mo pinaghandaan yung iyong batang ikaw, yung batang ikaw, nga ang mag-aalaga ng matandang ikaw. And here's what I've learned. Alam mo, yung mga taong hindi naghahanda, sila po ang namumulubi pag siya po ay nag-retire. Yung mga taong hindi naghahanda, sila po ay nai-stress. Yung mga taong hindi naghahanda, sila po talaga ang nahihirapan sa buhay. That's the reason why in today's episode, the next time when you hear yourself, pag sinabi mo, matagal pa naman yan, malayo pa naman yan, I want you to pause. And I want you to ask, what if today you are going to be 60 years old? Ngayon, sa araw na ito, sa palagay mo, do you have enough savings already? Do you have enough investment? Do you have enough protection already para sabihin mo that you are already prepared? If your answer is no, right now, no matter what age you may be, I want to challenge you this week. Ito yung gagawin. As your wealth coach, if you're listening to this podcast, treat this as a coaching session right now. Gusto ko, i-identify mo ang isang one financial goal that you've been postponing for the long time. Isa lang, di ba? Is it number 1 to save up for your emergency fund? Number 2, or to save up for your, let's say, yung car fund, housing fund, di ba? Or tinatawag na retirement fund. Ano ba yung pirang pinuput off mo? And I want you to take the smallest possible step. No? Not next week, not next month, but today. Like for example, kahit na mag-save ka lang ng 500 pesos a month, kaya mo? 1,000? Yes or no? 2,000? Diba? Kaya nga, very important, I want you to think, I want you to reflect, I want you to apply. And ask yourself this hard question. Diba? Alam mo, the most important thing, hindi yung yung malayo na. Ang tanong, handa ka na ba? Again, life move faster than you would think. And the cost of waiting is bigger than what you think. And I don't want you to regret na pagdating ng panahon na sabihin mo sarili mo, sana nag-umpisa ako, sana maaga pa. No. I want you to start right now. If this episode spoke to you, just do me a favor. Number 1, start. Kahit na isa pang start right now. Number 2, share it with someone who keeps on putting off their financial decision. And don't forget to subscribe on this channel. And by the way, I just want to thank the FAMAS for nominating our podcast channel, itong podcast channel po natin, for FAMAS as number 1, the best podcast channel, one of the best in terms of sa category, kasama po tayo. And then also as the best male host for a podcast program. And I just want to, again, thank you for the nomination. Hindi pa tayo nanalo, pero yun nga, mapalad na ako, mapalad na tayo po ay na-nominate. Maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik ng podcast na ito. Prepare today so that you can enjoy tomorrow. Stay ready, stay intentional, and stay Chig Positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.